multiple benefits.
The Khasi Authors Society KAS has said that the literary body will take upon itself to follow on to the resolution of the Meghalaya Assembly urging the centre to include Khasi in the 8th schedule of the Constitution. KAS President Dr. L. Nonglat said, "We have been only talking about it and just listening to the state government. We are not satisfied anymore. We are preparing to go to Delhi in August or September to find out for ourselves if there are any records with the Ministry of Memorandums." He said that the literary body of the Khasis has aggressively follow up on the issue of inclusion of the language in the 8th schedule since the last government did not seriously take up the issue.
Tiengi habban budin tenge namar ba ngi iba kumhakanika baladap ti kikram da simkia do kata-kata bat lada kadai ba simkia menta ya kata ru ngi sultanat ngin ai ke jing trelang jing dawa chongi bat lada kilet kamat ba kadai bandan de bat ka jing ho ka jing ta kidai ban yo ya ke jubab nang thi om ka ba sia kren kten hanrei naka department siaga department kidai bandan ki sakhi sabut ba kakam kalayat sakmat lani kadan ka jing kre.
The Deputy Chief Minister of Meghalaya Singh Bhalang